Hello and welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki channel. In this video I'm gonna show you unordered list, ordered list and description list in HTML5. Let's get started. Unordered list we can use with this UL tag here, UL, and for the list items in unordered list or ordered list we can use li tag, and we just type whatever we want for the list, like tomatoes, and another list item, onion, and another one, potatoes. And if I save this, you will see this type of list here. And this is unordered. For the ordered list we use ol tag, and for the list item it doesn't make any difference for us. For the unordered list or ordered list we use list item li, again pizza li, spaghetti li, chips, potato chips. And if I save it, you will see order list. It is came with 1, 2, 3. If I want to change this to ABC, just I can use this attribute here, type. You can see 1 A I. Use A, and if I save it, ABC. And also now I can nest a list under a list, and you can see here I will use a UL tag here, and if in pizza we need cheese, li. Let me choose another one. We can use tomatoes. Another one we can use onions, and Control S. You will see pizza, cheese, tomatoes, onion, spaghetti, potato chips. And this is UL unordered lists, and here OL ordered list. Well, and what about description lists? Description lists is a little different from unordered list and ordered list. We can use description list by DL, and we can use DT for the description title, HTML, not HTML tag, HTML itself, and we can use description, DD for description of HTML below. And if I save this, you can see HTML, this is below. And if I copy this and paste this here, you will see a list of these HTML, CSS, here, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And description list, description terms, and description definition. There are tags for this here. Thank you for your watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss my new future videos.